Today, we're breaking down the best RV skirting options, from the cheapest DIY ideas to the fastest high-end systems, so you can stay warm, keep your rig safe, and make winter RVing a whole lot more comfortable. Skirting blocks the wind, warms your underbelly, reduces propane use, and keeps your tanks and pipes from turning into popsicles. And the good news is, you've got options. Foam board, vinyl, hybrid setups, and even the new inflatable skirts everyone's talking about. Let's get into it. 1. DIY foam board skirting, the budget champion. Let's start with the option you see in almost every cold weather campground. Rigid foam board. You can pick it up at any home improvement store, usually in R7 to R10 insulation value. The reason this method works so well is simple. It blocks wind and insulates at the same time. Foam board traps heat under your RV and prevents cold air from circulating underneath. The pros here are huge. It's affordable, it's customizable, and it has some of the best insulation performance of any skirting option. The downside is that it's not very durable, it doesn't look great, and it takes some effort to install cleanly. You'll need a way to attach it. Most people use industrial Velcro, foil tape, or even small lumber rails at the bottom to hold it in place. And here's the trick. Label your panels. If you're staying somewhere for months, you'll remove and reinstall these more than once, and labeled panels make it painless. 2. Vinyl skirting, the all-around winner. Vinyl skirting is the most popular option for people who want something that looks clean, lasts a long time, and can be reused every winter. Instead of cutting individual pieces, vinyl skirts hang around the perimeter of your RV like a fitted cover. They snap in with buttons or clip systems, and they block wind extremely well. The big advantage of vinyl is durability. It holds up in wind, snow, and freezing rain better than foam board. It's also easier to store and reuse. The downside is cost. A custom vinyl skirt can get pricey, and you usually need to install snaps or rails around your RV. Insulation is also not as good as foam board on its own. But for most winter RVers, vinyl is the sweet spot. Durable, neat-looking, and simple to install. 3. Inflatable skirting, the fast, premium option. This is the new kid on the block, and it's exploded in popularity with full-timers. Inflatable skirting uses long, air-filled tubes that wrap around the base of your RV. Once they're inflated, they form a continuous barrier that seals out wind and traps heat. The biggest advantage is speed. You can fully skirt an RV in under 10 minutes with no drilling, no cutting, and no taping. Inflatable skirts also excel on uneven ground because the tubes naturally fill gaps. They offer surprisingly good insulation due to the air pocket inside them. The downside? Price. These systems cost the most out of everything on this list. They're also dependent on having a working pump and staying properly inflated. But for convenience, portability, and ease of use, inflatable skirting is by far the best option, especially if you move often in the winter. 4. Hybrid skirting, the best of both worlds. Hybrid skirting combines foam board insulation with the clean exterior look of vinyl. Think of it as foam panels wrapped inside a vinyl skin. This gives you excellent R value, along with good durability and clean lines. Some RVers build these themselves, and some order custom-made hybrid kits. They tend to be more rigid and weather-resistant than vinyl alone and more attractive and long-lasting than bare foam board. The trade-off is complexity. Hybrid skirts take the most effort to build or install, and if you're not naturally handy, this may not be your first choice. But in extremely cold climates, we're talking full-timers in places like Montana, Wyoming, or northern Canada, hybrids are a top-performing solution. 5. Temporary and portable skirting, quick protection for light cold. If you're only dealing with occasional freezing nights or weekend winter trips, you might not need a full skirting setup at all. Temporary options like Reflectix panels, heavy-duty tarps, magnetic skirts, or simple wind barriers can give you enough protection for short stays. These won't offer much insulation, but they will reduce wind chill under your RV, which is often enough to prevent pipes from freezing during short cold snaps. They're easy, cheap, and require little to no installation. Just remember, whatever you use, keep it clear of your furnace exhaust and water heater vents. Blocking those can cause dangerous carbon monoxide issues or damage your equipment. Choosing the right skirting for your RV. Here's the quick breakdown. If you're camping occasionally or dealing with light freezes, temporary solutions or simple vinyl will get the job done. If you're seasonal and parked for a few months, Vinyl skirting is the best balance of performance, durability, and cost. If you're full-timing in real winter weather, go with foam board or hybrid skirting for maximum insulation. Or choose inflatable if you want premium convenience. And if you're on a strict budget, don't overthink it. Foam board skirting is cheap, effective, and performs better than almost anything else. Skirting is one of the easiest ways to make winter RVing more comfortable while protecting your plumbing, saving propane, and keeping your floors warmer. Whether you spend $40 or $400, the payoff is immediate, and your RV will thank you for it. If you've used a skirting system you love, share it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more winter RV tips coming up next.